private area. All the potholes are still in the same area. Yeah, there's no improvement on this road at all. None. And this is the road leading through Victoria Town. Not really through Victoria Town, but Pusey Hill heading down into Tollgate. This is a toll gate. And then you have the other section that leads from the Victoria Town. That one I'm not 100% familiar with, but this one I am very familiar with. So I'll drive here during the daytime. And in the nighttime, then I'll go through the Mandeville Town. Because even when you have family members or people in your vehicle, you don't want to be driving this route because it's just so dark and lonely, even though it cuts out almost 30 minutes worth of driving. And then here I had a lot of bush, but now they turn it into a road. Yeah, so I remember every corner of this road. Then you'll drive through the little tunnel and you'll toot your horn. And it echoes really loudly. I don't know what that is. Smells stink. To the left takes you up to, I think it's Amman District. Yeah, Harmon's Valley. And to the right, it's taking us down into Tollgate. Sorry, I only have a gimbal. I totally forgot to walk with my little holder for the phone, but I didn't want to miss the opportunity to, you know, get a little bit of a video footage here, because I don't know if I am going to be driving back through this side for this trip, so bear with me. And then And look at the greenery here. It is so beautiful. It is so cool and nice right at this little spot. In Jamaica and you feel like you want to take a trip, feel free to drive around different parts of the parish and you know, explore some of these roads. Not in the night time, you know, but in the daytime you should be fine. Bad things happen anywhere you go, so I don't want you to be a visitor in any country, including mine, and wanting to explore and then explore and then have a bad experience. That's all. Alright. And as you can see, the road not look good. This is the road itself. It's not like, so the road is very good, so bear that in mind. So if you can ship down your 4-wheel drive and come down here, come mash up the road a little bit more as well, kudos to you, okay? But the 4-wheel drive will be better suitable for this kind of tour around most parts of Jamaica, especially in the rural sections of the country. Right. But if you have anything else, you should be able to drive it. And sorry. And this road takes us back to the close to the new leg of the highway, which is the Maypin toll road. Yeah, that's where it's gonna take us back to. Ah, the sun hot. Sun hot. And the patrol them might kill me. Oh. Ugh. Down that side will take you into Victoria Town. Alright. They're doing a lot of road work and all, so and then this side is gonna take us back down by Tollgate, where you can head into Maypen, Mandeville, Kingston, whichever direction you want to go. So the road is a little bit better here. So the quality of the road, look at the corner. So if you have your white sneakers and you want to get it a little bit, you know, colorful, this is the best soil to come and dabble in a little bit. Yeah. It will surely change the color of your shoes, alright? It is quality. It is of high quality in terms of the soil itself. Isn't this view beautiful, people? Give it a thumbs up, regardless of the video being shaky. People doing their farming over that side. Jamaica, you know, you can explore all of this beauty here in the parish of Manchester. So depending on what you're looking for, you know, it is here. Crossing at the top here is going to be the toll road to Mandeville. So that is the toll road from Kingston through Maypen into Mandeville.